Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to an OBS tutorial on how to download Reaper plugins. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, I would really appreciate it. And the next thing we're going to go ahead and do, assuming that you know where the Reaper page is because you're looking this up, just go to the downloads and then download whatever version that fits your computer. From here, just go into your settings, Reaper plugin install. I agree. Next, install. All right. Now all you need to do is just go ahead and open up a new OBS. Oh, sorry. Lags a little bit when I open it up. Let me make sure I did that right. Okay. Yeah, I did. And then now when you open up your sources and things like that, you can go ahead and add some Reaper plugins. So let's go to my mic. Let's go to my filters and then add, as you see, I have a new plugin right here. And I can go ahead and use any one of these like so. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to put them down below. But other than that, it's been a OBS tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.